Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red velvet cake. We'll start by understanding what makes this cake so special, from its unique flavor profile to its signature color. Then, we'll dive into the core ingredients you'll need to gather, ensuring you have everything ready for a successful baking experience. Finally, I'll give you an overview of the entire baking process, setting the stage for a truly delightful dessert. Now, let's talk about the heart of red velvet cake, its ingredients and how to mix them. You'll need a specific blend of cocoa powder, buttermilk, and a touch of vinegar, which reacts with the baking soda to create that tender crumb. Don't forget the red food coloring, which gives the cake its iconic hue. We'll go through the proper mixing techniques to ensure your batter is perfectly smooth and ready for baking. Once your batter is ready, it's time to bake. We'll discuss the ideal oven temperature and baking time to ensure your cake layers are perfectly cooked through, moist, and tender. Learning how to properly check for doneness is crucial for avoiding a dry cake. After baking, I'll guide you through the essential cooling process, which is key to maintaining the cake structure and preparing it for the delicious frosting to come. Finally, no red velvet cake is complete without its signature cream cheese frosting. I'll show you how to whip up a rich, tangy, and perfectly sweet frosting that complements the cake beautifully. We'll then cover some simple yet elegant decorating ideas to make your cake look as amazing as it tastes. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your homemade red velvet masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.